Hello guys, today I am going to unbox the keyboard cover of Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So keep watching my video. The cost of this keyboard cover is approx 30,000 in Indian currency. But I pre-booked it, so I got it free of cost. So here is the brand new keyboard cover. The keyboard cover attaches to the tab magnetically. There is a space for the S Pen. Even the back cover is magnetically attached to it. The back cover has a kickstand which can be used without the keyboard, and we can do that while watching movies. So guys, if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.